Okay, people, today, sorry my hair's messed up, I am doing my unboxing video for the, I don't even know what this thing is here. It's the Smoke I-Priv kit. It is the Smoke I-Priv kit. It's going to be a vape. Looks like I got a few things here in my bag. Let me see what else I got on here. I got this. I got it looks like I got a package of batteries here. I had to buy batteries separately because it didn't come with the batteries. I got the I-Priv. I got the black one. I wanted the red one because it looked more like Iron Man, but I got this one instead. All right, then I got my batteries here. And what else am I going to have here? Looks like all I got left in here is my receipt. And there's probably, yeah, there's 80.95, blah, 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 blah. I smoke Priv. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started on this. So let's do the batteries first since they were the smallest. Looks like the batteries, it's gonna be just basically, looks like there are two individually wrapped battery packages here. Let me turn off Jumanji here. All right. So I got two of the unwrapped batteries here. Batteries here. And these are going to be, I don't know if I got the Sony or the Samsung ones. I had two different choices. I had the choice of getting the Sony 1800 milliamp or the 2000 millivolt or milliamp, whatever they are, or the Samsung. And I think I went with the Sony because I don't know. But it looks like I went with the 3000. Oh, I went with the 3000 milliamp. Okay. And these are going to be the Sony 3000 milliamp. Okay. So that's what I went with on that. If anybody wants to know, which is going to be the VTC6. Okay, let's do the pipe now, or the vape. Looks like I did the black I-Priv. Give me 1 second. Let me get this thing open. All right, and we got that open now, and as you can see, I have my RFID blocking sheet on over me today. I got the smoke. Oh, this is pretty nice. It comes in a nice little box here. Okay, there it is at first, right here. It had the little pack for pulling out to pull out all the moisture. So here's the pipe. The battery itself. The I-Priv. This thing's voice activated. It's pretty cool. It'll talk to you. I made sure I got one it's actually a pretty thick thing. It's got a nice little firing button on the side. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So here in a minute, I'll find out how to get the battery and everything in it. And then also inside of this, it has my instructions here on how to install the batteries, what to look for if something's wrong with it. It also has the owner's manual. Also inside, it's also supposed to have yeah, there it is. It's going to come with an extra coil, and these are some fat daddy coils. I heard these coils are really, really, really thirsty. So it means if you a thirsty coil, these are like a 6 coil. They have 6 different firing coils in them. So that means that these are going to go way deep into the liquid. It came with an extra coil here inside of it, right there. So it means I got 2 extra coils with it. And then I got my charger with it too. So, and I can charge my batteries one of two ways. I can either buy the battery, and I got an extra piece of glass too that came with it in case I drop my vape and crack the glass. So, the reason it's got an extra charger, I mean this regular charger, so you can plug it into the pop itself, but also it has a charger, so if you want to, you can take the batteries out themselves and plug them in. There's the, yeah. All right. Let me see how to get some batteries in this thing. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm going to go ahead and just leave this video at that. That was basically my first unboxing video, so I'm probably not really good at it. Sorry if I'm not the best at it in the world, but that's my first. I just thought maybe I'd do something a little different. All right, you guys have a good day. Bye.